I'm trying.
Hey, if you would have cooperated, this would have went a lot different. You know that? Because you didn't want to cooperate.
Fuck.
The star of today's video is Mr. Charles Lamar King Jr., and on the day this was filmed, he had active warrants for his arrest. The warrants were for felony counts of carrying a concealed weapon, tampering with evidence, and weapons under disability. He also had misdemeanor warrants for domestic violence and assault. On June the 6th, 2023, at approximately 3:05 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were at Mr. King's residence, attempting to serve those warrants. These officers were driving wagon number 78, which is a 2-officer unit. One officer knocked on the front door of the apartment building, and the other officer walked around the back, just in case Mr. King attempted to sneak out the back, which is exactly what he did. Mr. King was eventually placed under arrest and faced his charges in court, where the domestic violence and assault charges were dismissed. Mr. King eventually pled guilty to having weapons under disability and was sentenced to 36 months in prison.
Maybe we'll get somebody coming down the stairs.
Any canine available for counting.
Shitty thing is, there's like that person. They're actually their door's open. Got a window down there. Can we go look? Yeah. I'll run out. Gotta go around this way. Man. Is this all one massive building? How do I... What's up, man? Don't move. Step down. Step down. Hands behind your fucking back.
God,
Hands behind your back.
What did I do? I'm not even... Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. You got your tased, kid. I don't even know what this is. I told you, you have a warrant. All right. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Okay, hold on. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. I can't. Hold on. Something's broke. I can't. Something's broke. Dude! Something's broke. I can't. Oh my God, hold on. Shit. Something's broke. 7-8. One in custody. Fuck. Oh my God. Fuck. Hold on. Shit. Hold on. Something's broke.
Directly.
Something's broke. Fuck. Something's broke. Shit. Get up. Fuck. Fuck. You got everything? You got your camera? Shit. Shit. I was trying to get there to let you know. I seen him going down the steps. Fuck. I just picked up some more cars. You couldn't fight with me. Shit. Shit.
7-8, 24.
I got you. You're off service. Perfect. Copy.
This shit hurt.
I got you. Pull up.
We're walking.
Yeah. Shit. Shit. We're good, thanks, bro. I don't know why you want to fight, man. You ain't gonna win against me.
You can slow everyone else down.
What do you need? Got it? What's hurt, bro? What's hurt?
I'm not sure when I'm out here, so
Copy.
Maybe fine, dude. I'll get you a Band-Aid.
Bro. Take a seat. Take a seat.
Sit down.
Sit down.
My knee.
I'm trying.
My knee is hurt. I'm trying.
Hey, if you would have cooperated, this would have went a lot different, man. You know that?
Fuck.
Because you didn't want to cooperate.
Fuck.
All disrespect intended, dude. Nobody cares about your funky ass scrapes. You're fine.
That's fine. It's just this wrist don't look right.
Well, trust me, your wrist is fine.
Your wrist will be fine. You think about that?
It just don't look right. I'm just saying.
What do you need checked out for?
The wrist. Shit. Whew.
Ladder unlocked.
See that motherfucker?
It is now. Stand up, dude. Step up. Watch your head. Seat on the left right there. First seat. Right here on your left. Your other left.